Hello, in this video we learn about the data types in Python. Okay, and first of all, you have to know what is data type. A data type is represents a type of data stored into a variable or a memory. Okay, so you know the Python is a strongly and dynamically typed languages. Dynamically typed languages mean you need not to explicitly assign data type to a variable. Okay, so like this, suppose if you take Java or C .NET, you have to assign data type a variable like int b. Okay, so like this one. But in Python, no need because Python is a dynamically typed language. So you no need to assign a explicitly assign data type to a variable. Okay, Python interpreter automatically detects type of variable at runtime. Okay, so okay, and and there are two types of data types are there in Python. One is built-in data types, another one is user-defined data types. We will see in this video built-in data types. Okay, what is built-in data types means the data types are already available in Python language are called built-in data types. Okay, already available in Python languages. In user-defined data types means the data type which can be created by the programmers. Okay, the data type which can be created by the programmers are called user-defined data types. Example like array, class, or module. Okay, this we'll see in the later classes, but we'll see in the built-in data types here. Okay. Some built-in data types are numeric types, sequences, sets, mappings, null type, and bool type. These are the data types. Okay, built-in data types. Null type is nothing but it represents an object that does not contain any value. Any value. Null type represents an object that doesn't contain any value. Bool type is represent boolean values, true or false. Okay, true or false. Mostly boolean type used in the operators. Okay, operators and regular expressions. Okay, return type whether it will be true or false. Okay, and you will see with what is numeric types. Numeric types nothing but a int, float, complex. This like this. Numeric type represents numbers, int, float, and complex. Okay, complex nothing but a plus bj, and a represents a real part, and b represents imaginary part. J nothing but minus one. Don't worry about the complex one. And integers means numbers 1 to 10. Negative numbers also minus 1 to 1. Float means 3.2, 3.5. Example like that one. Okay. So like these examples, we'll see. I will see with an example. Let us sample program on numeric types and the conversions. Okay, nothing but simple. Suppose if you assign a equal to 3, print a, observe here. Okay, see, a is equal to 3 here. Okay, is equal to 3. This is an integer one because you no need to assign integer value like this in double quotes you can use it. Hello Python. This is string data type. Okay, print test here. See, hello Python. Okay, this is string data type. Okay, hello Python because Python interpreter, in Java, you have to assign explicitly data type, but in Python, no need. Okay, Python interpreter automatically detects this data type at runtime. So next thing is bytes data type. Bytes data type represents a group of byte numbers, just like an array does. Okay, it represents a group of byte numbers, like arrays. A byte number is any positive integer from 0 to 255. It cannot store negative number. It cannot be modified or edit any element in byte type. Okay, we cannot modify bytes array. Okay, suppose if you give here elements, you can convert it. Generally, it will convert to array. We are converting using bytes function. Okay, we are converting using byte function. We're converting the data type here. Suppose take any elements here. Okay, really take any elements. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. So now which data type you want to know this one? Print type PLE. Print type PLE. So which data type it is? List data type here. Okay. By default it takes list data type. Okay. We want to convert this one to byte data type. Byte data type. How you convert it? Just using how you convert it? Just using bytes function. Okay. Using bytes function you can convert it like simple. X is equal to bytes of elements. Okay. These elements. So now think which data type it is? Elements. type of bytes. See, first one is a list, second is a bytes here, okay? So like this, you can convert it to bytes, okay? If you want bytes, if you want your elements to be bytes data type, you have to convert like this one, okay? So if you want to convert into byte array is nothing but same like a bytes, but we can modify in byte array, okay? You can modify, bytes array can be modified, but the byte array can be modified, okay? Byte array cannot be modified, but bytes data type cannot be modified. Bytes array data type can be modified here, okay? Simple. You can try it simply. Using byte array function, you can convert the list into byte array data type, okay? Simple thing. And next thing is list data type. The list is represent group of elements written in square brackets. List can store different type of elements. Different types means you can store in a list whether integer, float, string, okay? Different type of data types you can store a list, whereas in array you can store only one type of elements only you can store in array, whereas list you can store different type of elements, okay? List can grow dynamically in memory time, okay? Size can grow dynamically at write runtime. List elements can be modified. You can modify the list elements, okay? Suppose example list is like this. See an example, list example, okay? List is equal to 1 comma 2.5 comma minus 3 comma string Bob, okay? Enter list. See, observe here, okay? I want to display individually, okay? I don't want to display entire list. I want to display an individual elements. So for this, we have to use loop here. So for our print type, observe, observe the output. See, 0 to 4. I want to display 0 to 9, or 0 to 8 or something, 0 to 7. Use here, okay? 0 to 7, okay? Range. Range are type used like this. Mostly range are type used in for loop. You can use range here also, doesn't matter. Instead of here, directly I can use here. For I in range 5, 0 to 4, okay? So that's about the range data type. Next thing is set. A set is a unordered collection of elements and written in this flower brackets here, okay? So set does not have duplicate elements. We cannot retrieve elements using indexing and slicing operations. Set elements can be modified, okay? Can be modified, okay? Suppose uh, simple example, we'll see here. S is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3.5 comma 6, okay? Different elements I have taken, okay? Duplicate elements also I have taken now. So sets, because sets, you want to know which type it is, automatically, interpreter assign this uh, as a set, okay? Observe you see set here, okay? Because we are writing in flower brackets, and but the thing is that set is an unordered collection of elements. Means we don't know which order it comes here. Set the see, and also it doesn't allow duplicate values. Set doesn't allow duplicate values. You see, it remove duplicate values. Set allow doesn't duplicate values, and also we don't know which order it comes. Sometimes it comes 1 2 5. Sometimes it comes in other order because it's an unordered element. Okay, unordered data type set is an. Okay, and another thing is Poisson set data type same as set data type, but main difference Poisson data type cannot be modified. Okay, whereas set elements can be modified here, but Poisson set data type cannot be modified here. Okay. Next thing is the mapping types. Mapping types. Okay. Mapping types. Dictionary data type represents a pair of elements in the form of key value pair. Each element consists of key value pair. Okay. In mapping types, each element mostly dictionary data type is there. We call it as dictionary data type. It represents a pair of elements in the form of key value pair. Each element is a key value pair here. See, observe your example. D is equal to A colon Radha. A is a key, Radha is a value here. B is a key, where Sharma is a value here. Okay. And we have to separate key and value with colon here, okay? This is one element, this is a two second element. Simple. This is an example. our exams D is equal to dictionary, no? Dictionary is okay, and we write like this one. A is equal to A, key value 10, comma key B value 20. Okay, so automatically interpreter reads it as a dictionary because we are writing colon, no? Is it because Python is a dynamically typed language here? Okay, dictionary, and I want to access only keys. For that, we have to use keys method here. I want to access only keys. D dot keys here. A, comma B. But I want individual elements. Okay, I want access via individual elements. So